Filmora, developed by Wondershare, is a video editing software that caters primarily to beginners and intermediate users looking for an easy way to produce high-quality videos without the complexity often associated with professional video editing tools. It is renowned for its straightforward, user-friendly interface and a wide array of creative tools that make video editing accessible for hobbyists and newcomers. Filmora provides a balanced set of features, including basic cutting, transitions, overlays, and effects to more advanced functionalities like keyframing, motion tracking, and audio ducking. These features are designed to help users create polished videos with minimal effort. The software also includes a large library of built-in graphics and audio files, which can be a major advantage for users looking to quickly enhance their projects without creating content from scratch. One of the standout aspects of Filmora is its attention to trends in social media content, offering features that are particularly appealing for creators of YouTube videos, Instagram posts, and TikTok videos, such as easy-to-use templates and effects that are geared toward these platforms. This focus makes Filmora a popular choice among content creators who need to produce attractive, engaging content rapidly. Filmora's performance is optimized for average consumer hardware, which means that it does not require the high-end specifications that more professional software might. This accessibility extends to its pricing model as well, which includes both subscription and perpetual license options, allowing users to choose based on their long-term editing needs. While Filmora might lack the depth of functionality required by professional editors, it includes enough features to satisfy most amateur and semi-professional needs. The software is continuously updated with new effects and tools, ensuring it remains useful for modern content creation needs. Overall, Filmora is a solid choice for those who are starting out in video editing or do not require the advanced features of more complex software. It offers a friendly user interface, a variety of useful editing tools, and enough flexibility to help users create engaging videos that look professional without needing extensive training or resources.